If you've ever run into the problem of huge images slowing down your WordPress site, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and free way to bulk resize those large images you've already uploaded using a fantastic plugin called Insanity. By the end, not only will your media library be trimmed down to a more manageable size, but your site's speed and storage will thank you. Let's get started right away because optimizing images doesn't have to be a headache. The first thing you'll want to do is install Insanity. From your WordPress dashboard, that central hub where all your site's magic happens, look for the Plugins tab on the left, then click Add New. In the search bar, type in Insanity, and as soon as you see it pop up, hit the Install Now button. This part is pretty straightforward, almost like adding a new app on your phone. After installation is complete, remember to click Activate so WordPress knows to put Insanity to work. If you ever forget the activation step, no worries, it's an easy fix, and your plugin won't do anything until it's switched on. Now that Insanity is part of your site, let's configure it to get customized results. Navigate to Settings in your admin menu. You'll find Insanity tucked away there. Here, where you set your maximum image dimensions. A good general rule for most blogs or business sites is 1200 pixels by 1200 pixels. That gives you crisp, full-width images without them being unnecessarily large. But feel free to adjust based on your site's needs. Take a moment to consider your audience. If your images are viewed mostly on mobile devices, you may want even smaller dimensions. Just below those size settings, you can tweak your JPG quality. I usually recommend choosing a middle ground. Something between 80 to 90% will preserve good image clarity and cut down file size significantly. There's also an option to automatically convert BMP and PNG files to JPG, which is smart because JPGs are generally much smaller. Insanity handles this conversion for you, saving you the extra steps. Once your choices are set, click Save Changes. It might feel minor, but these adjustments are what keep your site lightweight and zippy. Here, the exciting part, resizing all those large images you've already uploaded. On the same Insanity settings page, scroll down until you see Bulk Resize Images. This is the tool that finds every image in your media library that's bigger than your new size limits. Click Search Images and let Insanity do its thing depending on how many images you have. This search may take a minute or two. It's a bit like sorting through a big stack of photos in a shoebox. You want to make sure you know what you're about to change. You'll get a list of all oversized images. Take a moment to review them, especially if you're running an established site. If you don't already have a recent backup of your media library, this is definitely the time to make one. It's unlikely something will go wrong, but better safe than sorry, right? Once you're ready, you can select specific images or simply hit Resize Checked Images for selected files or start resizing all images, and Insanity will get to work. It processes everything in the background, so you're free to grab a coffee or check your emails while it works. Don't stress if it takes a bit, especially if you have hundreds of images. This is a huge time saver compared to resizing each image manually. And that's it. You've just tidied up your image library and set your WordPress site up for faster performance, all for free. I hope this walkthrough helped you get comfortable with the process. If you found this tutorial useful, please tap that like button, and if you have any questions or things you'd love to see covered in future videos, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your site.